Hello guys, so in this lesson we are going to do the focal points, let's say the start of our page. So the important thing here is that the plastic folder is very fixed, so it doesn't move. So that's why I'm using the washi tape. And so the thing is here that you have to go slowly because this is double speed, but the thing is that you have to go slowly but at the same time with a confident line, because if not, it's not gonna give you a line with good quality. So I don't know if you are used to draw, maybe if not, it's gonna be a little more difficult because you have to find your rhythm about how much fast you can go to have a line, a quality line, let's say. So just try it because this is a very inexpensive material. So you can really do, if you make a mistake, you can really repeat it as many times as you need. And so here we are doing slowly the lines and all the details. As you can see, it's a very easy draw. I mean, I choose it because you don't have very difficult things to draw. For example, the eyes are closed, etc. So it's a good start for you if it's your first time drawing, let's say, because we are like drawing, right? Because whenever you trace an image, you are putting your personality on the line. So it really is a draw of yours. Before taking away the plastic, be sure that you have all the lines. And here I'm making some details. And then we're gonna paint with the same marker the hair. You have to have passion, but it's really important because I feel like if you don't paint it, then you don't have contrast on the image and it's not gonna be the same. So if you don't want to, don't do it, but I will recommend you to really paint it in black. And here I take my artistic license because I didn't like it to match this like hole in the middle of the hair, so I just take it away. And I will not showing you all the process because it's too long and it's not difficult, just painting between the lines. The only thing to take into account is that the paint, because this is acrylic paint in a marker format, is not dry, so be careful when you put your hand on top of the drawing. And that's it, we have it. Now we are going to cut it and we have all our focal point. And so the thing is that in the sheet, you see that you have two drawings, so you can really do the other one also, and I will show you an example how I use it, so you can have the both of them and do 2 pages, so you can practice a little more with the drawing. And then in the next lesson we are going to do the background. It's gonna be a mixed media, an abstract background. So see you in the next lesson.